Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can make your Twitter to dark mode. So for that, go to Google or you can open up the Twitter app on your Android device. The process to get dark mode on Twitter is similar both on PC as well as Android. So follow these steps carefully. So open up your Twitter and let's log into our account. And after you log into your account, go to settings, and for that click on more, and here you will find this option of settings and support. Just click on it, and after that click on settings and privacy, and then you will see a list of options, and among them just find this option of accessibility, display and language. So click on that option, and after that click on display, since we are looking to make our Twitter dark mode. And after that you will see different customizations. So go to the very end and you will see this option of default, dim and lights out. That means dark mode, and you can select it as per your requirement. So lights out is the dark mode for the Twitter, and this option might be exactly called as dark mode in some devices or on mobile device. So turn your dark mode on using this display settings on your Twitter. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.